Good day, Ma'am Yaras. This is Jason Arbella, and this is my second hands-on examination. So the problem that I choose is the problem number 2, which is to create a grading system. So these are my codes, and if you try to run my program, the first part that will be read by program is the while loop, which is here. So my program will loop until you will input a -1 number. So every grade that you will input will be append to our list, which is the grade list. So after that, if you want to stop the loop, so you can input now the -1, then it will break the loop. So after that, it will go here to our cal average function, which is located in this part. So in this function, we will calculate our average grade. So this is the formula. So the sum grade is equals to length grade. So the sum grade is, it will add all the elements inside of our grade list, and after that it will be divided by the length of our grade list. So that will be our average grade, and after that our average grade will be round. Since it is a floating point value, so it will round into 2 decimal places. So after that, it will return our average grade. So after it will return, it will go back here and read our cal point grade function. So once we call this function, it will goes up and goes here in this part. So the cal point grade, so it will calculate our point grade, which is this is the formula, and after that it will return the point grade. So after the program read these two functions, it will go to this if and else statement. So in this part, we will able to know what is the remarks of our grade, and with the help of the OOP polymorphism, we are able to create these codes. So this part is our polymorphism, where I created different types of class which has the same function, which is the function make remarks. So all those class has the same function, and each of those function has a different print statement. So para mabasa ng ating program ang mga result dito, so we need to create an common interface, which is the function result. Then after that, we will instantiate those objects or those class. So after that, we will able now to put these objects to our result function. So for average below 0, it is our result A. So which is the here. We will able to print the average grade and point grade to 0.0, then the remarks that is no such grade. So same as the average less than 0, it will perform also the same function to our average is equals to 100, which is the result H. It has the result H, and our result H is class 100 in this part. So it will display our average, which is equivalent to our average based on the calculation of our function average, and the point grade based on the point grade function, and our remarks that is equivalent to pass or excellent. So let's try to run our program. So first input grade, so we will follow the class 1. So 90, 90, 90. So 90. So you need to input the 90, then -1. So it will display the 90, 2.0, and pass. Very good. So we'll try another test. 95, 90, 98. So 95, 90, 98. So -1 to exit our loop. So here, let's try another. So 90, 95, and 150. So 90, 95, and 150. So this 150 will be not put to our grade list because it is more than 100. It will only continue the loop of our while loop. So 90 and negative 90. So same as 150, our negative 90 will not append to our grade list, but it will only continue to our while loop. So another 100, and to exit our loop we have to input the negative 1. So 93.75, it is the same result with our test case 3 example. So that's all for my second hands-on examination, Ma'am Yara. Thank you po.